So how do you change the iPhone browser to desktop mode? Let me explain it. And if it's your first time in here on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get started. So I assume that you're using the Safari built-in browser by Apple. And in there, you can get inside and let's say that you are browsing a website. I don't know, plenty of examples, but if you go to Google, for instance, you can always click on the three dots in the bottom right, and you might expect the button to be here, but it's actually not anymore. And instead you have to click on the button next to the URL, which is this like rectangle with the lines. You can tap it like this, and here you should be able to find the request desktop website. And with websites like this, like literally google.com, you actually can see the difference because it got zoomed out and we have like the desktop features. But, just keep in mind that in other apps or websites, like for example, apple.com, when you go to the request desktop mode, well, it doesn't really do much, right? I'm officially on the desktop version, but it's not really doing anything. And the point is that some websites are optimized differently compared to others. So always give it a try, but that's how you can switch between the regular mobile network and the desktop mode of the website. But that's essentially it. Of course, if anything would change in the future, I'll definitely update you about it. For now, that's gonna be about it, and I'll see you later in the future videos.